Channel V8X, where power meets prestige. Today we're stepping into pure dominance. The Toyota Land Cruiser 2026 in stunning metallic champagne beige, a luxury SUV built to command attention before it even turns a wheel. Let's start with that front view, bold, aggressive, unapologetic. The massive grille, razor-sharp lighting, and sculpted stance scream authority. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement rolling on four wheels. The champagne beige finish reflects light like polished armor, delivering a premium glow that makes every entrance feel cinematic. Now slide to the side profile, and you see balance and muscle working together. Long, confident lines stretch from nose to tail, creating a silhouette that feels fast even standing still. This is luxury engineered with purpose, aerodynamic, planted, and unmistakably Land Cruiser. Every curve is deliberate, every surface premium. Move to the rear angle, and the SUV closes the show with style. Bold taillights, strong shoulders, and a commanding stance complete a 360-degree masterpiece. The back view doesn't whisper luxury, it announces it. Whether parked or in motion, this SUV owns the road behind it. Step inside to the dashboard, and the energy changes from aggressive to refined. Premium materials wrap around the futuristic digital cockpit. Ambient lighting, precision displays, and tactile controls create an environment that feels like a private jet on wheels. Everything is driver-focused, intuitive, and crafted for comfort without sacrificing performance vibes. Pop the hood and admire the engine bay, clean, powerful, engineered excellence. This is where Toyota's legendary reliability meets modern performance. Every component is built to deliver strength, endurance, and smooth authority, the mechanical heart of a luxury titan. Now picture the Land Cruiser tearing down a sunlit highway. The metallic champagne beige paint dances with motion as the suspension glides effortlessly. It feels planted, controlled, and powerful. A highway king designed for long hauls and bold adventures. This SUV doesn't chase the road, it dominates it. Switch to a night drive, and the Land Cruiser transforms into a glowing icon. LED lights carve through darkness, reflections shimmer across the body, and the entire vehicle feels alive under city lights. It's luxury with attitude, dramatic, sleek, unforgettable. Displayed in a premium showroom, the Land Cruiser becomes rolling art. The finish gleams, the proportions demand attention, and the presence alone turns heads. This is the SUV people circle around, admire, and dream about. And let's talk numbers. The Toyota Land Cruiser 2026 carries an estimated premium price around $65,000 to $75,000, positioning it squarely in the luxury performance SUV arena. For what it delivers, power, prestige, durability, and unmistakable presence, that price feels like an investment in dominance. From every angle, front, side, rear, interior, engine, highway, and night, this Land Cruiser is engineered to impress, intimidate, and inspire. It's not just transportation, it's authority in motion. Channel V8X, where legends ride.